Hey friends, in today's video it is time for some summer fun, and I'm going to be walking you guys a step-by-step tutorial on my little pink party pool assembly and then decorating around it. This is going to be super fun. I'm going to share with you guys a DIY in this video. So this is the Intech pink pool off of Walmart. It's $100 and some change. It doesn't come with a pump, but it can be up to your discretion whether or not you feel like you need a pump. We did end up ordering one on Amazon, and then my little puppy dog Bidgie Bear, of course, he had to be out there for the fun. And a huge thank you to my daughter for helping me set this up and filming me doing this for you guys. But I just wanted to share with you guys, if you need a fun little pool to cool off in, this is a great size, super manageable. So it comes with two pieces as far as the rods to connect are. Okay, two sides, this is what I mean. This is the longer side, which goes all the way around the pool, and there's about 8 to 10 of those, and they have a little connector that you just connect them to. It's so easy peasy. I didn't even struggle with this at all, and so we just went around and connected all of the long rods, and then it had a little connector in the center, and then there's a shorter rod that you connect down as your poles that are going to hold your pool up. Super easy. And then they came with these little black things too, in case you guys were it just helps it hold flat. And then you want to make sure you're on the interior of your little white round thingy that goes around your pool. I'm not for sure what that's called. Anyway, this is such a great little pool, again, for a kind of a wading pool. And it was actually deeper than we thought it was going to be. So it's 8 foot by 30 plus inches, I believe. Anyway, not 8 foot deep though. Very, very manageable. And I'm also thinking that my puppy dogs are going to have some fun. So I have my grand dogs, and one of them is an Aussie, and he loves to go swimming, baby Theo. He's actually going to be here tomorrow. So I'm super excited for him to test it out. And I'm even not super worried if he gets it dirty, because I can easily drain it, because I don't have a filter on it yet. I didn't fill it up all the way. The other thing I decided to do was run to Home Depot and grab some of these outdoor, they're just kind of turf carpets. They're about $25 a piece. I already had 2 that I had left over from last year, and then I grabbed 2 more. And so I'm just going to spread them out over this sandy pool pad. So originally, if you guys saw my pool video last year, I had a large Intech pool, and it was huge. It was super hard to manage. I don't have a bunch of kids at the house anymore because my kids have gone off to college. I do still have my daughter home, so that's why this little pink pool was so perfect for us, and we were so excited to set this up together. So I did end up using 4 of these to create my little outdoor pool spot. They're a little bit discolored and different, but that's okay, because the pool's going to cover most of them, and then I'm going to decorate around them. Of course, you guys know me. I have a ton of DIYs planned for this little pink party pool out here, is what I'm calling it, even though I'm not a huge party gal. But I do like to have some fun and definitely cool off and grab some rays. I'm an 80s, 90s gal, so sunbathing with sunscreen is still something I love to do. Okay, so once I have all 4 carpets down, don't mind the discoloration, we easily together just moved the pool back. We had one little stand flop over, but then once you put some water in it, it holds on really, really good. I tried to get it as centered as possible. I am going to add my little dining table that I made over in pink last year to this setting, as well as some little loungy chairs and a cute little pink umbrella. So here's how it is looking so far. I think it looks absolutely adorable. And again, it is so manageable. The only thing you're still going to need is a net to keep it clean, and a little pool pump, if that's something that you want to add to it. I've seen it done online both ways, where there's a pool pump, and the pool pump just sucks out some of the debris, and then you can get a little skimmer to skim any of the bugs off. We also bought a cover for it. That way we can cover it when it comes to winter. Okay, so now we're going to add some water. It took probably about 3 or 4 hours to add the water, and then here is my fun little umbrella that I found off of Amazon. I'm absolutely crushing on this. It was a little bit of a splurge, but it was so worth it, because you guys know I love pink, and the pink and white is so adorable. Originally I got my little palm umbrella from Walmart last year, but we had a massive storm come through and it bit the dust, so I had to get a new one. Look how adorable this is. I had this on my back patio originally, but I could not resist putting it out here where my little pink pool is. And then I also got some little lights. I don't know if you guys have seen those, but you can put lights underneath your patio umbrella to give it kind of a fun little party feel. They're pretty inexpensive, like $5 or $10 on Amazon, and it just goes up underneath your umbrella. And they're like pool lights. So now it's dark out. You can tell I've changed my t-shirt because I took Benji Bear for a walk. It was a hot day. There's my little pool floats. Those were also from last season. If you can see that little thing in my hand, that's my patio umbrella. Of course, Benji Bear, the creative director, had to be a part of this scene. You guys can see those are my pool stairs that I'm going to start working on in the next segment, even though I did run out of paint. So I'm going to have to do a part 2 for you guys on my little party pool, but I'm going to share with you guys how I have decorated and set everything up so far. And of course, Benji Bear is the star of the show. So here's a fun little DIY to share with you guys. So these are just some little palms that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to add them to my pink party pool setting. So I just took a trash bag and wrapped it around the top base part, because what I want to do without getting paint on the green part, I want to paint the base of my little planter pink. I was racking my brain trying to figure out the size of planter I could use to drop these down inside of, and then I thought, you know what, for free because I already have the paint, I just used the pink 2X spray paint from Walmart. It's like $5, but I already had that in my craft stash, so I thought instead of going out and buying new planters, I'm just gonna paint the base of these pink. So anyway, that's what I did. And I did share another DIY with you guys in one of my last videos on how you guys can drop these down into those Dollar Tree storage containers and add rocks to them. But since this is going to be outside, I don't want a planter that is going to fill up with water. So I'm just taping off the interior part to where I'm not getting anything on the exterior of the plant, and then just using pink paint, I'm going to go around it. I originally had added like a gold rim to it and thought that that was going to be awesome, but that was really hard to do and it didn't work well at all, so I ended up not doing that, and my painting was a little bit sloppy. I had a hard time today filming the painting, and had my spray paint way too close. Stand back from your project, be patient and wait. I was trying to get this DIY done for you guys. It was getting really hot. And anyway, so don't look too closely, but there are some little like drippy lines from where I wasn't super careful. But listen, this is just an outdoor little project, and I'm sure you guys have had little things happen in your painting. I did end up adding a couple of coats, so that kind of cleared things up. And sometimes the little spray paint, I don't know, I'm not going to blame it on the spray paint. It was definitely the spray painter. But it ended up being super cute, and they're just going to go by the pink party pool anyway. So super fun and fabulous. And you guys know I'm a girly girl. I'm all about the girly girl things. And this just little backyard oasis made me feel like I was on vacation. One of my friends is in Cancun right now, and I messaged her and she was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to come see it and come over. So, and then another one of my friends, her daughter is having a bachelorette party in my area, so I thought that would be super fun to have like a little girly bachelorette party get together with our little pink party pool. So the sky's the limit. Also, this would be awesome if my daughter was still a toddler. She would have absolutely loved this, but let me tell you, even as a teenager, she was pretty thrilled. And we did get to do some sunbathing then the next day and pop in, so super fun there. Anyway, I added several coats to the base of my planter. Just be patient with you guys. I think I ended up adding 3 layers, but again, stand a little bit further back than I'm showing with you guys. I don't know why I was so close. I definitely know better than this, but maybe it was because I was filming, and I'm always worried when I'm spray painting and filming that I am going to get spray paint on my camera, because I use my iPhone camera to film for you guys. So anyway, there's that, and I think it's looking adorable, even though it wasn't the best paint job. You guys are gonna have to forgive me and give me some grace. Okay, so here's step 2 of the DIYs. I started painting my ladder. This is an old crusty musty ladder that I had, and so I had a can of just primer paint, and so I'm going to add a full can of primer paint on the entire thing, because I feel like if I would have primed the last project better, that may have helped it not be so drippy. But I also was hoping that I would be able to get the entire ladder in one paint coat with the pink paint, but that definitely didn't end up happening. So I'm gonna have to go back to Walmart and get more pink paint. So anyway, I hope you guys are loving this and are inspired. Let me know what your big summer plans are. Do you guys have any vacation plans? I do have a family vacation planned for Florida upcoming that I'm getting pretty excited about. So here is the pink paint. This is berry pink paint, also in the 2X, my absolute favorite from Walmart, that and the ballet pink paint. This is also the same color that I use to paint my little outdoor table and chair set, so it's going to match perfectly. I'm actually not going to put this ladder though in the pool. I'm going to put it next to the pool and hang my big pool floats on it and my towels, so it's not really going to be used for getting in and out of the pool. So I'm not super worried about that. So I'm going to have to share with you guys a part 2 on the rest of the DIYs I'm doing for this, because I ran out of paint and I also ran out of energy because this was day 2 working on this project. Now this little fun picnic mat came from Target in their dollar spot for $5. And then those little pink tables I sprayed last year that I shared with you guys, as well as the little pink painted stones, I shared with you guys last year. So I'll try to link that in the video down below. And then these little stripy chairs I also got last year. They're pretty nice to have actually, because they're kind of like a lounge chair that you can easily pack. I'm going to take them to the beach this year. So here's how it is looking so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And then here are some pillows. I ordered the pink and white ones off of Amazon, and then the ones from Michael's. Again, leftovers from last year, but everything's a work in progress. If you guys are like me, some things survive the season after being outside. We have a really, really hot summer. It's pretty brutal here. I'm in the very, very southern Midwest. You could almost call me southern, but it's really technically Midwest, but very, very close to just being southern. So anyway, I'm adding in those cute little those cute little palms, and here I am relaxing in my pink party pool. I unfortunately only have water in my drink, but that's okay. It's definitely keeping me hydrated after all the hard work. I'm lounging out in my little pink pool with my pink heart floats. A huge thank you to my daughter for filming this and putting up with all my silliness. And I love you guys so, so much. I hope you guys take a break and have a little party in your backyard, or just enjoying your summer in general, no matter what you're up to. I have so many fun DIY crafts coming up for you guys. And I thank you so, so much for being here, along with allowing me to share what I love, which is crafting and decorating on a budget and making my home fun. I'm still in the same little home that you guys have always watched me in YouTube, and I really truly believe that you can have a boutique, gorgeous home on a budget, and you can bloom where you're planted, and let your heart be bright and enjoy yourself. Remember, every day that we wake up is a gift from God, and I love y'all so, so much, and I'm so thankful and blessed to have you all here. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, blessed weekend. I do have Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway winners to announce, so stay tuned on my social media. I'm sorry I'm late with that, but things have been crazy. Love y'all and talk soon.